Welcome to my class, students. As English, it so happened we are doing a chapter Jalebis, and this is session 6. In this we will do question answer of this particular chapter. Now comprehension check, page number 65. Why didn't he pay the school fees on the day he brought money to school? कि वो जो बच्चा है उसने क्यों नहीं स्कूल फी पे की उस दिन जब वो पैसे लेकर गया था स्कूल में. He didn't pay. See, always you write, though it is from he it hasn't started in the question also, but the boy didn't pay. The young boy. Please write, the young boy didn't pay the school. Instead of this, you start with the young boy didn't pay the school fees on the day he brought money to school because Master Ghulam Muhammad, the teacher who collected the fees, was on leave. क्योंकि वो मास्टर गुलाम मोहम्मद छुट्टी पर थे and it would be collected the next day. और दूसरे दिन ये कलेक्ट होने वाला था. What were the coins saying to him? The coins were asking him to buy the jalebis. क्योंकि jalebis are meant for eating and coins are meant to spend on what you like. Do you think they were misguiding him? Yes, they were misguiding him. Even though the money was for the payment of fees, they urged him to spend all on jalebis. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि वो कॉइन्स बोल रहे थे या बच्चे का अपना मन बोल रहा था? बच्चे हम हर समय आप देखोगे कि हमारे अंदर दो थॉट्स चलते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव. तो ये जो उसके नेगेटिव थॉट्स थे, जो शैतानी वाले थॉट्स थे, वो बोल रहे थे कि चलो खर्च कर देते हैं जलेबी पे. Now, why didn't he take the coins advice? तो बच्चे ने क्यों नहीं कॉइन्स के एडवाइस को लिया? Give 2 or 3 reasons, 2 या 3 रीजन दो. He didn't take the coins advice because he was an honest boy, क्योंकि वो honest boy था. He was studious, वो पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा था. And had image to protect in the school, और उसकी एक इमेज थी, वो प्रोटेक्ट करता था स्कूल में. He did not want to get caught doing wrong things, और इसीलिए उसका एक स्टेटस था और वो जलेबी खाता हुआ बाजार में किसी को नहीं दिखाई देना चाहता था. He didn't want to get caught doing wrong things. तो अगर वो फी के पैसे से जलेबी खाता तो that means he was doing a wrong thing. तो he didn't want him to be caught doing wrong things. What did the oldest coin tell him? The oldest coin said that they were trying to tell him something for his own good. यही कहा था ना कि तुम्हारे भले की बात कर रहा हूँ. It said that he would get the scholarship money the next day and with that money he could pay his fees. Hence he could very well buy the jalebis with the fees money. तो इसीलिए वो फीस मनी से जलेबी खरीद सकते हैं. Did he follow his advice? क्या उसने एडवाइस फॉलो की? If not, why not? यदि नहीं तो क्यों नहीं? No, he did not follow its advice. द बच्चे ने एडवाइस फॉलो नहीं की. Even though his mouth watered, उसके मुंह में पानी आ रहा था, फिर भी he remembered the fact that he was among the most promising students at school. उसको ये बात याद थी कि वो स्कूल का most promising students में एक है. In the 4th standard exams, he had even won a scholarship of 4 rupees a month. और 4th standard के एग्जाम में तो उसे 4 रुपये महीने की स्कॉलरशिप भी मिली है. Also, he came from a particularly well-to-do family. और वो बहुत अच्छे घर से आता है. And enjoyed considerable prestige. और उसकी एक इज्जत है, उसका एक स्टेटस है. He had never once been beaten. कभी भी उसे स्कूल में मार नहीं पड़ी. On the contrary, his teacher had got him to beat the other boy. और वो उल्टा होता था, उसके टीचर्स कहते थे जाओ उस बच्चे को मारो. He thought that for a child of such status, standing in the middle of the market and eating jalebis was inappropriate. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि ऐसे स्टेटस वाले बच्चे के लिए बहुत ही बुरा है कि वो जलेबी मार्केट में खाए. Giving these reasons, he returned home. और इस तरह से उसने खुद को मनाया, कॉइन्स को ये उसने कारण बताया और घर लौट आया. He reached home with the coins in his pocket. What happened then? When he reached home, the coins began to speak again. When he went inside to have lunch, they began to shriek. He was so thoroughly fed up that he rushed out of the house barefoot and ran towards the market. ये सब मैंने आपको explain किया है. Although he was terrified, he quickly asked for a whole rupee worth of jalebis. The हलवाई opened up a whole newspaper and heaped a pile of jalebis on it. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, why he was terrified? Because डर डर के क्या कभी कोई जलेबी खरीदता है, लेकिन वो बच्चा खरीद रहा था क्योंकि वो गलत काम कर रहा था. He was doing wrong things. तो इसीलिए वो डरा हुआ था और जलेबी क्विकली उसने 1 रुपये की जलेबी ली और तुरंत उसने उसको डिवोर किया. नहीं तो जलेबी लोग आराम से खाते हैं, लेकिन उसको इसके मन में एक था कि हाँ मैं फी देने के रुपये से जलेबी खरीद रहा हूं. Now page number 68. Why didn't he eat all the jalebis he had bought? क्यों उसने पूरी जलेबियां नहीं खाई? He didn't eat all the jalebis he had bought because he had eaten so many of them that if anybody pressed his stomach a little, jalebis would have popped out of his ears and nostrils. उसके कान और नॉस्ट्रिल से क्या निकलेंगी? जलेबीज निकल के आएंगी. What did he do with the remaining jalebis? उसने क्या किया जलेबी बाकी जितनी बची थी जलेबियों से? He distributed the remaining jalebis to the children who had assembled in the gully where he was eating the jalebis. The fear was killing me. What was the fear? The fear was of getting caught and his parents finding out that he had eaten so many jalebis. He burped with every breath. With every burp, there was the danger of bringing out a jalebi or two. This fear was killing him. Children's stomachs are like digestion machines. What do you understand by that? Do you agree? This means that children have a robust digestive ability. Robust माने वो हर कोई चीज हजम कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो बच्चे होते हैं और बच्चों में डाइजेस्टिव एबिलिटी रहती है. दे कैन डाइजेस्ट मोर देन यूजुअल डाइट और जो उनकी डाइट है उससे ज्यादा वो खा सकते हैं क्योंकि उनका ग्रोइंग बॉडी रहता है तो वो डाइजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. हाउ डिड ही प्लान टू पे द फीस द नेक्स्ट डे? तो बच्चे ने क्या प्लान किया नेक्स्ट डे फी देने का? ही प्लान टू पे द फीस विद द प्रीवियस मंथ स्कॉलरशिप दैट ही वुड गेट द नेक्स्ट डे. कि वो फी दे देगा स्कॉलरशिप के पैसों से जो कि उसे दूसरे दिन मिलेगी. When it's time to pay the fees, what does he do? How is he disobeying the elders by doing so? When it was time to pay the fees, he tucked his bag under his arm and left the school. आपको पता है ना, मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया था. He kept walking, praying for some miracle to happen which would save him that one time. He reached the Kambalpur railway station. The elders had warned him to never cross the railway track. They had also warned him that one must never eat sweets with one's fees money. However, he had disobeyed them by doing so. उसने 2 बार पेरेंट्स को डिसोबे किया. Why did his head spin? उसका head क्यों spin हुआ? He planned to pay fee with the scholarship money, but when he got to school, he found out that the scholarship was going to be paid the following month. So his head started to spin. He felt as if he was standing on his head and could not get onto his feet again even if he tried. तो आपको पता है सेम ऐसे ही लिखा हुआ है तो आपको इस तरह से आंसर देना है. So what have we learned today? We have learned the answers of the questions that have been given in this chapter. In the next session, I will be here with a few more questions that have been given in this session. Thank you.